but I can't speak Turkish, but I can I have a friend in Turkey and that Russia totally hard to speak Russia, but I can go there and then for speaking Esperanto. I can go somewhere like Europe, his Espanol, Hispana Bogota and that Lima, Peru. Even though I can't speak Spanish, yo hablo poquito porque para mí Spanish es muy fácil el mundo amigo, porque para mí Spanish es mi verdad, pero English is difícil. So, for me, when I started Spanish, yeah, I'm still learning Esperanto because I learn Esperanto a fun language, and then second language, a lot of language. Even though I am Muslim, that's why if somebody asking me are you Muslim, yes, I'm Muslim. Personally, as wajah, you know what? But this Arabic, even though I speak Arabic a little bit, total little bit, I'm still learning that with my my teacher,